Here's a complete short guide on the correct way to send Bitcoin from Trust4Leg into your Bybit account. First of all, you need to go to Bybit account, click on deposit crypto, click on Bitcoin, click on BTC, copy the BTC address, then go into your Trust4Leg, then click on the Bitcoin, click on send, paste the address you copied from Bybit, click on the maximum, then click on next. Then the next thing you're going to do is to confirm the address that you're sending to, that it's the correct address you copied. Then click on next, enter authentication, confirm the transaction, and send. Now in the next minute, the Bitcoin will be arriving on your Bybit wallet. Now make sure to always copy a fresh address. Don't send to a pre-installed address or the address you sent to previously. Copy a fresh one each time you want to send crypto to avoid dusting scam or wallet poisoning scam. You can see our BTC is being received on our Bybit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, comment what you think.